Hello friends, my name is Jason Tharp and this is my book, It's Okay to be a Unicorn. Today I thought it'd be really fun to teach you how to draw the main character, Cornelius. So get some paper and some markers, let's have some fun. Hi friends, do you have your paper and your favorite thing to draw with? I love drawing with these big Sharpies. I love the way that the line works. Before we get started, let's remind ourselves, you're not going to draw like me, and that's okay. If you feel like you made a mistake, or you need to start over, or just whatever it is, it's okay. Just pause the video, rewind back, and start over, whatever you need to do. I'll be here waiting. It's important just to try your best and just try a new thing. Who knows, you might draw Cornelius even better than me. So let's get started. Start your paper up and down. Vertical is what it's also called. And right in the middle of it, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a V that is upside down. Where you stopped with that, you're going to draw a little half circle and connect it. I want you to put 4 lines on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like a carrot, but really what we're starting is Cornelius's horn. On the front side of that horn, you're going to put a U that comes around just like so. And on the back side of that horn, you're just going to draw a line that comes down just like that. Now for his ears, we're going to use the letter D. What we're going to do is we're going to draw one D that is the right way. On this side of the horn, we're going to draw a D that is backwards, just like this. So now he has 2 ears. For the back of his hair, we're going to draw just little bumps that go down just like so. And then on the front, where we stopped with this line, we're going to draw a little half circle that kind of comes around and stops before it gets to the end. And I would like for you just to draw a straight line down from that. You can even bring this line down a little bit more if you want, up to you. For his teeth, we're going to draw a line down, and we're going to draw a line that just goes right along this line right here, just like this. And for the inside of the mouth, we're going to start about right here and just draw a straight line down, and I want you to put a little bump inside. So what happens when we color this in, just like this, you'll see that now, all of a sudden, we see Cornelius's tongue inside of his mouth. For teeth, we're just going to draw some lines right inside there, just like this. For his eyeballs, we're going to do 2 zeros. And there's going to be 1 0 right here and another 0 right here. And for the inside of his eyes, you're just going to draw dots and fill them in, just like that. Eyebrows, super simple, just half circles. We're going to draw a half circle here and a half circle here. Now for his nostrils, really easy way to think about that. Horses have big nostrils. Unicorns would have big nostrils. Is we're going to draw a U shape and another U shape right beside it. And we're just going to put straight lines there and fill each one of those in. So now we have nostrils. Just like that. Now we're going to put some magic on this page. And how we do magic is we just put some magical unicorn sprinkles, kind of same as snowflakes when you're making winter cards. And then you're going to sign your name on this. It's important to sign your name on it so everybody knows who made this magical drawing. And this is how you draw Cornelius. I hope you had as much fun drawing him as I had in creating him. And remember, trying your best is just trying your best. If it doesn't look like mine, that's cool. Mine doesn't look the same as this one, and that's cool too. The important part is that we had fun together making something cool. I hope to see your drawings one day. And remember, the key to happiness is embracing your unicornius. Have a awesome day. See ya.
Hey, Wonder Friends, thanks again for drawing with me. If you'd like to share your drawing with us, make sure that you get the help of an adult and upload it to Facebook or Instagram at Wonderville Studios. Make sure you check out all the other drawings videos that we have, and just remember, it is cool being you, being different is awesome, and be the weird that you want to see in the world. I'll see ya!